Just as a thought. Trash.
Get out of here. There's nothing for you, Max. We can see you. Maxwell!
Open them. Open them. Open them.
Those are my crackers. Can I please have my crackers?
Peek at the cat.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Would you like a treat?
Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
Look what Nikki do to me!
She's great, like Ash. But she's so fat.
Stop
Call her fatty.
Stop calling her fatty.
Look, get the angle, man. Zoom out. That's a fat cat.
You get him?
Yeah.
Bark at your dog.
maybe I'll take you out on a leash. Do you want to do that? But then you have to, like, not run in the woods. I know. All right, let's compromise.
Thanks, man. Top.
Oh. Sit.
우리 이제 우리 이거로 조금 아깝게.
Lefty wants King to ask him to play, but he doesn't want to be obvious about it. That's not obvious. Okay, Left. Okay. Uh-oh. Did you just drop Mr. Snuggie? Okay, but you gotta go get him. Go get him. You can't just bark at him. He's not gonna jump up. You drop Mr. Snuggie. And all the other ones too. What do you want Mom to do? Do you want me to get him for you? Okay. Last time, buddy. Last time. There you go.
Honey. Honey, you've had a nice day. It's Sunday, girl. Sunday fun day. We went to the park. We watched baseball. We did have a bath. We did do that. But then we went for a walk to dry you off. And you were happy. You're happy, girl. And now you're mad again. You had dinner. You did. You loved your dinner. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Honey. Honey. Oh, girl. Are you upset tomorrow's Monday? You gonna have a Monday temper too? Poor girl. And you can't get off your back. You're like a turtle.
Kita, we need to work on you not hitting the wall so hard when I throw this. Okay, you're gonna get hurt. Okay.
Get it out.
Loki.
Seriously. That's what's funny.
Hi.
Good job.
And people said that the touch of their toes was softer than anything, even silk. And it smelled like butterfly milk.
What? Yes, baby? Oh my god, no! Hey, don't do that. That's not, no! Hey, that's not nice. Boogie! Stop it. I'm gonna be mad if you rip that off.
Calm down. It's okay. Loki. Loki. Wow. That was a big one.
Me? Are you Snowplow? Who is stronger? I am stronger. I am. Michael, help! Help her! Help her! Yes, good boy! Good boy! That's cute.
醋嘅，因為嗰啲係你要靠個醋嚟去
點啊？
好味。
點啊？
Do you have literally anything else you could be doing right now?